Hello my friends, and welcome back to another video. I am going to review a sugar recovery lip mask for you. I received this product complimentary from First Beauty, and you can find the link from First Beauty and Octoly family down below. So if y'all can't tell, I've told y'all before, I have major lip problems. I bite my lips. That's part of the problem. I don't know if y'all can see the discoloration in my lips, and I think that is from biting my lips. I don't know if I'm gonna ever stop. I got scrubs, I got chapstick, I got everything, but I think it's really my nerves. When I get to really thinking, I bite my lips. So I don't know what it is, but this is a lip mask. Okay, so we're gonna see what this is all about. It retails for $26. It says dry lips don't stand a chance against the latest innovation of our advanced therapy collection, our first ever lip mask. It blankets the lips for nourishment, for a smooth, plump look. I hope this isn't plumping. Y'all know I can't stand nothing to be plumping and tingling on my lips. We gonna see. All right. It's dermatologist tested to recover and repair the look of dry lips and locking in hydration. When used overnight, it soothes and smooths dry patches while you sleep, healing the lips, helping the lips bounce back from daily damage. All right. What fell? This is what it looks like. Something fell. I just want to make sure it wasn't like a scooper. This was a little thing that was on top of it. But I thought something else fell, but I don't see it. So this is what it looks like. So what I'm going to do, oh, okay, I thought something else fell. This is, it's so small, but it says fresh. Y'all see it? So it must be a little lip scooper. So we're going to go ahead and scoop some out. I don't want to scoop too much out. It smells like Vaseline. So there's no smell, is what I mean. It smells like Vaseline. We're going to give it a second to see if I get any tingling or anything. It smells like Vaseline. It has coated. As you can see, my lips are very coated. I like that. I am going to put this by my nightstand because I really want to see how this really does. I really want to see what happens with it. I don't have any tingling or plumping yet, and I'm just giving it a moment to see if it's going to tingle or plump. It does say that it is clinically proven to improve the look of dry lips overnight. So I am going to come back in the morning and I'm going to let y'all know like how my lips feel, how I think they feel after using it. I may do it for 2 or 3 days and then come back and tell you guys a little bit more about it. It does say give lips a plump look. Well, if it's going to give me a plump look without the actual tingling, I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I don't like things that tingle. I don't like plumping things at all on my lips. But I don't have a tingle yet, and it's been on for enough time for it to start tingling. So far, so good. So I am going to finish getting ready for bed. And then I'm going to do this, I think, for at least 2 or 3 days. And then I'm going to come back and let you guys know, like, how I felt the next morning or the next day, how my lips did. I want to, it doesn't say, I'm going to have to read a little bit more about it because when I get up in the morning, I guess I'm supposed to wipe it off. It doesn't say. I guess when you brush your teeth and do everything, you wipe it off. I'm going to use my lipsticks, my liquid lipsticks, my lip glosses, and I'm going to come back and tell you guys my final thoughts on the lip mask. So stay tuned. Hey guys. Okay, so I am back to check in with you on the Sugar Scrub Recovery Lip Mask. So it's actually been about a week and a half that I have been using this. And I will tell you that this is something I am going to repurchase. This is going to be a staple of mine. I have it on now. I put it on after I brushed my teeth just a little bit this morning for the sake of the video, but I have been using it at night. And I have been only using it at night because it is a recovery lip mask. So I feel like after I've used liquid lipsticks and like I told y'all, I bite my lips during the day and do all that stuff, I can put this on at night and allow my lips to just, you know, recover, go through what they need to go through. I will tell you, while I still do find a way to bite my lips, it's just something I do, I'm having a harder time finding something to bite. And if you're a lip biter, you will understand what I'm saying. Like, the next day, my lips are so nice and soft, and they don't hurt the way they normally hurt from me biting them. And normally they hurt, and when I use like regular chapstick or something like that, it doesn't give me any relief, but this gives me relief. They don't really hurt the way they normally hurt when I'm done biting my lips the next morning. They're not dry the next morning or anything like that. Like, it's so good. But I think it's a nervous tick, or when I get deep in thought, or whatever it is I have going on, that I will start to bite my lips again. But I will tell you that they're not as dry and cracky as they normally are, so it makes it harder to bite them. But that's my nervous tick at this time. But I will tell you guys, if you have any issues with your lips, this is one. This is in the top 5. This is in the top 5 of overnight lip care for your lips if you have a problem with your lips. We are getting ready to go into the winter months. I do hope that they put out some other things that I can bring to you guys. I think I reviewed a sugar scrub by this company before. Their products are really, really good. But yeah, the company is Sugar, and this is the Advanced Therapy Recovery Lip Mask. There will be all kinds of information because everything is so small on here in the beauty bar down below. As you know, I did get a you can't see it. I have it in here, the little scooper thing. I would love for them, and I'm going to check when I get ready to repurchase another one, because I would love for them to put this in a tube. I would just love to have it in a tube if it can. Now, it is a thick consistency, so this is not something you want to put on in the daytime and then put a lipstick over it or put a lip gloss over it. I wouldn't put a lip gloss over it. You probably can, but I wouldn't. This is something that you can wear instead of lipstick or lip gloss. Like I said, I have it on now. If you're a person that doesn't really wear lipstick or lip gloss and all you ever wear is like chapsticks and stuff like that, and your lips are really, really bad, then you may want to grab this. So it is a thick consistency. You're going to get a lot of use out of it. You don't need much when you put it on at night. You really don't need as much as you may think you need. But I'm going to look for a tube in this, and I'm going to look and see if they have a lip balm. Or I don't want to say chapstick. I'm going to see if they have a lip balm or something in a tube that I can use in the daytime with my lip glosses, or to rehydrate my lips, because I enjoyed using this product. I really did. And this is going to be a product that I definitely plan on repurchasing. And I'm telling y'all, if y'all have any problems whatsoever with your lips, do not forget to check this out. Like, you can go order this now. Let me get the information back up here again for you that I told you in the beginning of the video. Just give me one moment, because I enjoyed this, y'all. I really did. This retails for $26. It is by the company Fresh. Okay, it is a Sugar Recovery Lip Mask Advanced Therapy. I will put a link to this product down below. It is already available on Instagram, it says. If you go to their Instagram, and then it is on fresh.com, and it's on Sephora.com. So those of you that have Sephora and need to get Sephora rewards or points, we're going into the winter months, check this out, because your girl will be using this and will be purchasing this. I kid you not. I have enjoyed using this, and I'm going to continue to use it and keep it in my stash. It's in the top 5, you guys. If you have any questions, comments, check the beauty bar down below. Hit your girl up. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to go over and follow, like, share, and follow Octoly and Fresh's Instagram. And I'll see you guys next time.